5-40 on page 131 of the mechanical drawing textbook. We're going to draw a V block, scale full size. We're going to draw the front and right side views, and then we're going to project lines using our 45-degree meter line and complete the top view. Do not draw the pictorial view. The overall sizes are 1 1/4 inch by 2 inch by 4 inches, and if you notice, normally the proper notation or convention is depth times height times width, but there's a misprint in this book. They've actually got the height times the depth times the width. 1 1/4 inches is the height, 2 inches is the depth, so make sure you understand that that is what those dimensions are. The V-cut has to be 90 degrees and included angle and is 3/4 of an inch deep. Let's go ahead and draw it. First of all, I'm going to start with my front view. It's 1 1/4 inches high by 4 inches. So I'm going to type at 4, 1.25, and I'm going to draw my 1 inch box. I'm going to draw my right side view. Again, that's 2 inches deep by 1 1/4. So I'm going to type at 2, -1.25, and I'm going to draw my top view, which is 4 inches by 2 inches deep, so at -4, 2. I'm also going to draw my 45-degree meter line, and again it's got to be higher than the front top edge of my top view and wider than the right side edge of my right side view. I don't need my 1 inch square anymore. Let's go ahead and center it. Alright, let's go ahead and make some drawings. And if you notice, we've got a hidden line in there as well, so if you haven't already done so, in your layer properties manager, make sure we go ahead and type new layer, hidden, make it blue. All hidden lines are blue color, and line type should be hidden to line type. Alright, let's see, it's the V-cut has a 90-degree including angle. It's 3/4 inch deep, so we can explode this front view and we can offset by 3/4 the top line, and that's going to be a hidden line again, so I'm going to change that, put it on my hidden layer. Alright, and I can project this line over, so draw a line, and I know I'm going to do here at that midpoint of that line is going to be a 90-degree angle, so I can use got midpoint selected, good. I'm going to draw a line at 45 degrees, and I'm just going to project it up till it intersects with that line. And I know I've got my polar setting set at 45, so I know if I draw this line at 45 and this line at 45, or as the polar dimensions show 135, I know it's going to be 90-degree line in here. You can double check your angle measurements by using the angular dimension tool on your dimension toolbar, and you can come and double check your measurements. I seem to be having some issues going on here. you might have better luck than I have. But you can choose your dimensions, angular dimension tool to help you out. Now, what's left to do is we have to project this corner up. We've got a line, 3 lines we have to project up. This corner, and this corner. You should visualize edges along on the top view that you're going to see. Let's do the middle one first. And I'm going to do this one. And we're going to do the third one. And we don't need these lines anymore. And your final drawing should look similar to what I have on my screen. Make sure your title block is all correct, typed in caps. Save it as first initial, last name, 5-40.